All right, you want to do rental arbitrage? You want to take a property that you don't own, rent it, and make 300% more on Airbnb? That's the model that I teach. And a lot of people want to know, how much will I make? How much will I net on a deal like that? It's very, very simple. The rule of thumb is this: whatever the property rents for, that's roughly what you're going to make in net cash flow. So if it's a $2,000 a month rental, you might bring in $5,000 or $6,000 in income. After all the dust settles and all the expenses have been paid, you are going to be able to net $2,000 yourself. So imagine that. Imagine making $2,000 every month in net cash flow on a property you don't own. It's the simplest business in the world. Anybody can do it. And we've helped our clients not just do it with one property, but do it with many properties to be able to scale to 6, multiple 6, and even 7 figures plus many, many times, helping our clients do just that. We want to teach you how to do it.